Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn when we use the simple present tense in English. It's one of the most commonly used tenses and also one of the easiest. So let's get started.
We use the simple present tense to talk about habits and daily routines. These are actions we do regularly. Examples: I brush my teeth every morning. She goes to the gym on Sundays. They play cricket every evening. We eat dinner at 8 pm. You can think of this as things you do again and again, every day, every week, or on fixed schedule. Next, we use it to talk about general truths and facts. These are things that are always true and don't change. Examples: the earth revolves around the sun. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. A year has 12 months. Birds fly in the sky. These are scientific facts or common truths. Next, we use it for permanent situations. These are things that are true for a long time. Examples: she lives in Bengaluru. He works at a hospital. They study in a government school. My father speaks Kannada and Hindi. These are not temporary, they last for a long time. Next, we use it to express feelings, emotions, and opinions. Verbs like love, like, hate, want, know, and think are often used in simple present. Examples: I like coffee. She hates loud music. We know the answer. He thinks it's a good idea. These show what we feel or think right now. Next, we use it for fixed schedules or timetable. Even though the action is in future, we use simple present because it's a scheduled event. Examples: the train leaves at 6 am. School starts next Monday. The movie begins at 9 pm. My flight arrives at 10:30. These events follow a timetable, so we use simple present. Next, we use it in instructions or directions. It is used when we give steps or tell someone how to do something. Examples: first boil the water, then add the tea leaves. Mix the ingredients well. Turn left at the traffic light. Receipts, guides, and instructions use the simple present tense. Next, we use it in headlines and sports commentary to make the action feel more immediate and exciting. Examples: Prime Minister visits flooded areas. India wins the match. Actor announces new film. News uses simple present to sound fresh and current. So finally, the simple present tense is used to talk about daily habits, facts, feelings, and fixed events. We use it every day in regular speaking, writing, news, and instructions. It is called simple because the structure is easy and we use it all the time. Just remember, if the subject is he, she, it, add s to the verb. That's it. Let me tell you a short story in simple present tense. This one shows how we use it in real life through 7 different situations. Ananya wakes up at 6 am every day. She brushes her teeth, takes a shower, and gets ready for school. Then she eats breakfast and packs her bag. She says the sun rises in the east while reading her science book. She lives in Mysore with her parents and younger brother. Her father works at a bank and her mother runs a small shop. Ananya loves drawing and likes helping her mom in the kitchen. She wants to become an artist. Her school bus arrives at 8:15 am sharp. The bell rings at exactly 9 am. At school, the teacher says, "Open your books, read first chapter." In the evening, she watches TV with her brother. They see on the news, India wins the match. At night, she reads her homework, reads a storybook, and goes to bed at 9 pm. Every day, Ananya uses her time well. So, friends, what did you notice in this story? Let me quickly tell you how we used simple present tense in 7 different ways. First one, habits and daily routines. Ananya wakes up, brushes, eats, studies. These are her regular daily activities. Second one, general truths like the sun rises in the east. These facts never change. Third one, permanent situations. She lives in Mysore, her parents work there. Fourth one, feelings and opinions. She loves drawing and wants to become an artist. Fifth one, fixed schedules. Her bus arrives at 8:15 am. The bell rings at 9 am. Sixth one, instructions. The teacher says, open your books. Seventh one, headlines or commentary. The news says, India wins the match. This is how the simple present tense works in our daily life. Moral of the story: time well managed is time well lived.
Now it's your turn. Write two simple present sentences in the comments below. One about your daily routine and one about a fact you know. I'll read and reply to them. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more English grammar lessons. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next video. Bye.